Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I've got an unboxing for you guys, and it is the Derm Store Beautyfix subscription box. I've been getting it for almost a year now and I've really enjoyed getting this box. I'm in no way affiliated with them or sponsored by them. I like this box because of the brands that they carry and also brands that I haven't heard of that I've tried that I really like. And there are also some items in there that are kind of like, hey, okay. But anywho, this is for the month of July. The monthly subscription box costs $24.95 if you get it in a subscription, or you can also just buy it as a one-time fee for the month that we're in for $34.95. And you get at least 6 items in here, and one item costs more than the monthly subscription box itself, or even the one-time monthly subscription box. So you're getting a pretty good deal, especially if you like to try new things. And also there's some items in here that comes in a travel size or a deluxe sample size that you can use for travel, which I really enjoy. So when I got it, I was a little surprised that it comes in a different shaped box. It is a rectangle box because it usually comes in a square box. So I'm really tempted to see what's long inside here. So let's get to unboxing. All right, there we go. And on the inside of the lid, it says healthy skin and hair begin here. All right, here's the little pamphlet that it comes in to kind of explain what's in here. And this month's theme is called Summer Splash. From the delicious aroma coming off the grill to warm nights by the bonfire, summer is the season daydreams are made of. Okay, let me let you know, I'm here in North Texas and I think this is like the 3rd day that it's over 100 degrees. And when they showed, on the weather, the 10-day forecast, every day for the next 10 days, it will be over 100, 101, 106 was one day. So we'll see if we get some things in here that'll cool us off. I mean, you go outside, you check the mail, and your eyeballs dry out. That's how I explain it every time. All right, let's grab the first one here. This is by R & Company, and this is Death Valley Dry Shampoo. You get it? Death Valley? I got it. And it's a little travel size, which is nice. It says here, this is a must for long days full of outdoor activities, dry shampoo. Let's be honest, we reach for it day in, night out, and when it absorbs oil and hydrates in one shot like R & Company's, you can even go straight to happy hour without worry. All right, that's good. I know my daughter likes dry shampooing. I particularly don't, so my daughter will enjoy this one. All right, we have Elemis, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream with an SPF of 30. Let me go ahead and open it up. Here's the size right here. And it says here, a good SPF product protects against age-accelerating free radicals. When that power is coupled with anti-aging skincare, you have a recipe for success. This luxurious cream nourishes your skin with antioxidants and marine extracts. All right. Here's the box right here, Glow Skin Beauty. This is the Suede Matte Crayon. Let's see here, maybe it's a lip product. I think the color is called Trademark. Okay, we'll see. Let me look. Yes, the color is Trademark, and it's kind of like a burnt orange. That's real pretty. I like that. So it's kind of like the Marc Jacobs lip crayon. That's really good. Let me see what it says here. Going from the office to watching the sunset by the beach can create a bit of a time crunch. Swipe on this punch of color to enhance your natural glow. Its matte finish will keep up with you all hours of the day and night. It says your color will vary. So this color is called Trademark. Okay, maybe this is not a burnt orange. This is a pink. Yeah, I would say this is a pink, not a burnt orange. Yeah, this is a pink, not a burnt orange like the color on the tip says. All right, let's see. That's always nice. Next, we have perfume here, and it's by Raw Spirit. This is in the scent Desert Blush. Desert Blush? Yes, Desert Blush. Brunch by the beach, barbecues at the park, and some work sprinkled in between. Your social calendar is packed this month. Keep the sense of summer wherever you go with a fragrance that evokes the season. Your signature scent is the one spritz away. To let you know, I'm not a perfume wearing kind of gal. It gives me a headache. I prefer my shower gels and the lotion that comes in, but we'll give this a whiff and see how that goes. That does smell good though. It does smell clean. I like that one. Okay, maybe I'll try it. We'll see. All right, hey, I just finished this. This is going to be showing up in my empties. This is by MD Solar Sciences, and this is the mineral tinted cream. can't speak. And it has an SPF of 30, which I did like, but of course, because it's tinted, some colors does vary on my skin tone, and this one didn't match. But if we're going to be on the beach or in the backyard by the pool, it doesn't matter. You know, I'm going to be slather on the sunscreen, so the color doesn't matter if we're just going to be on the beach. But if we're doing like errands and stuff, this one will not match. But it's always good to have an SPF. We got another SPF here. This is Sun Bum, and this one also has a sunscreen SPF of 30. During the sunny season, we believe you need a bottle of sunscreen in multiple places: your car, purse, desk, home, everywhere. When it's TSA friendly like this one, it's the one to reach for a last minute getaway. All right, that's real cute. I like that little face there in the bottle. Oh yeah, and here's the MD Social Sciences. That's what that looks like. All right, yes, my Bioderma. This, I love this, and I need one in this size for travel, because you can't take the lid off of it to refill it. I don't know why they did that, but I'm glad I got one in this size. This is what I use to remove the eye makeup. I have these, the Shiseido cotton pads that I use, and this works wonderful. I love this micellar water. Score on this one. All right, here, this is a Skin Ceuticals. This is another SPF sunscreen. This is a SPF of 50. And this is the Light Moisture UV Defense Sunscreen. So a little bitty sample size of this one. Ooh, okay. I like this one. This is by Avon. This is the Thermal Spring Water. It comes in a little spritz. Here, let me bring it closer so you can see. So I believe this is the full size that it comes in, plus the lipstick. So we've got 2 full-size items in here so far. And this one here is a spray. It's got a little plastic all over it, and I don't want to open it just yet. Okay, let me read this here. Not so fun fact. The sun can sensitize and dehydrate your skin quite a bit. Yes. Give it a shot of soothing hydration morning, afternoon, and night with this top-selling mist. Your summer skin will thank you. And I really do like this. I already have one, and it's not finished yet, but this is really nice. All right, one more item in here. Oh, this is why it's a long bag. Okay, we got a nice makeup bag right here. That's a nice one here with Derm Store written on the bottom. All right, that's really nice. You can pack all your sunscreen in here. All right, that is it. We got some good things in here. How many did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items this month. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day and stay cool out there. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.